Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma. Welcome to our channel Lex Lake. So in our previous video, we have discussed the first essential of valid contract. So in this video, we're gonna discuss the second essential of valid contract, which is intent to make legal relationship. Let's illustrate with this with an example. Suppose here is a two-person, name a wholesaler and B is retailer. They came into an agreement where A promised to give food to B at the wholesale price, but in case A did not do the same, B can sue him. On the other hand, if we invite A to daughter's wedding, A promises that he will show his presence there, but then also if he does not go, then B cannot sue him. In the first illustration हमने देखा कि A is liable है, but in second illustration A is not liable because we can observe in case A they share a legal relationship that has legal obligation and he is aware of its fallout. But in illustration second there is no lawful connotation which shows that there is no legal relationship, and that's why A is not liable. And there is some landmark cases about the legal relationship, which is Balfour versus Balfour. And in this case, the construct of intention to form legal relationship was understood within the case of Balfour versus Balfour. And during this case, the suspect untied United Nations agency was utilized on a government job in Ceylon, visited England along with his married person. For health reason, the married person was unable to accompany the husband to Ceylon. The husband secured to pay 300 per month as maintenance to the married person for the time she lived apart. The husband did not pay the amount and then was eventually sued by his married person. That's all about Balfour versus Balfour. We'll see you soon in our next video. Till now, thank you guys. Thank you for watching us.